Hey guys, right now we in the truck yard. And so today we're going to talk about the difference and the advantages and the disadvantages of having a roll-up trailer and also a swing door trailer.
Let's go.
So here, when it comes to roll-up trailers, once this door roll up, it takes away 4 to 5 inches away from the commodity that's coming on the trailer. That's why majority of the time, swing doors is highly recommended. If you look over here with the swing doors, once the door is swung open, it gives it enough space for the commodity just to slide right onto the trailer. If you're thinking about investing in a truck or a trailer, for a trailer, I definitely suggest, I highly recommend swing doors because majority of the time, roll-up doors get rejected from these companies. We got hands-on in-person training. We have multiple resources. We got people from the industry that's coming. Limited seats only though. Reserve your seats today. Can't wait to see you there. Link in the bio.